Hey Fish Fam, welcome back to Grumpy Mike's. I'll just make a short video here on a project I've been working on for the last few weeks. It's getting pretty close to be done, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay everybody, welcome back. Uh, been working on this Betta Wall rack for a couple weeks or so now. Getting near completion, so well, actually, probably about halfway through from what I want. But got 2, 3, 4, 5 of the tanks installed. These are the Magitarium 5.2 gallon tanks. Got 5 of my king bettas in here now so far, and yeah. I haven't decided if I'm going to put any backgrounds on these tanks or not yet. That's a camera hog there. Everybody probably remembers Swim Shady. These 5.5 gallons, I'm going to put one on each row. In the middle, the other ones that are going to be shrimp tanks. I haven't completely decided which ones I'm going to keep. Probably cherry for sure because they're so popular. Probably one of the black rose or one of the black ones. And probably the goldback yellows. And I'm not sure because I'll have 4 of those. So let's back up a little bit so you can get a overall view. But yeah, it's been a work in progress, but it's coming along. So stay tuned for future updates when I get it more done. Other than that, everybody stay safe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.